In this video, I'll show you how to sell Metawar token in Trust Wallet. Before we start, make sure you understand that smaller tokens can be risky and may have low liquidity. This means you may not always be able to sell them easily, or the price may change a lot during the swap. First, open your Trust Wallet app and make sure your Metawar token is visible in your wallet. If you do not see it, tap the search or filter icon, search for Metawar, or add it manually using the correct contract address. Next, check which network your Metawar token is on. This is important because you need the correct network fee token to sell it. For example, if Metawar is on BNB Smart Chain, you need some BNB for gas fees. Now tap the Metawar token in your wallet. If Trust Wallet shows a swap option, tap Swap. Choose Metawar as the token you want to sell, then choose the token you want to receive, such as BNB, USDT, or another supported token. Enter the amount you want to sell, review the estimated amount you will receive, the price impact, and the network fee. If the swap does not work directly in Trust Wallet, open the browser or connect Trust Wallet to a decentralized exchange that supports the token, such as PancakeSwap if the token is on BNB Smart Chain. On the exchange, connect your wallet, choose Metawar as the token you are selling, then choose the token you want to receive. You may need to paste the official Metawar contract address if it does not appear automatically. Before confirming, check the token address, slippage, amount, and fees. If the token has low liquidity, the transaction may fail or give you a worse rate than expected. Once everything looks correct, approve the token if required, then confirm the swap. After the transaction is complete, the new token should appear in your Trust Wallet. And that's it. You now know how to sell Metawar token in Trust Wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.